Maven's Goodread Books Review Analytical Challenge. This is the first page which gives a brief of the report. The notes will help you to understand the report further. From here we can navigate to the other pages. Let's check the numbers, what the stats say. We have slicers to make our research, search purpose or understanding the data easier. Different slicers can be used. These are titles of the books. This is a year during which this book has been published and also the author along with the number of pages the book contains. The refresh button helps to remove all the slicers at one go. With the home button you can go back to the landing page, or if you want from this let's check numbers page, then page which can help you to make an informed decision about the next book that you are going to pick for your reading. From there also, now that we know what are the numbers, and now that if after we have searched, after you search which genre, which author's book you want to read and how it is performing in the market, now you can drill down, and obviously we know that this is the Hunger Games is the all-time favorite book. Now let's go to the page where we can make our selection. Expand the search by to know more about the book of your choice. So let's expand the search by. Here select category. Okay, let's select category, author. Select a book and click read more to know about it. Okay, let's click select a book and read more. What we get to see here is the books next to the image of the book, the author's bucket, the name of the author and the year in which it was published, along with a rating and a short review. The review, this is the review that has been there in Goodreads book. We can go back to the home page from here, and moment so from once we select the author from here or any of the categories, we can further go here and search. Like if you're selecting publication year, we can go here and search which year's book we want to read. This is another thing, we can collapse it, go back home, and yes, that's it, a small and crisp